Dragon fruit and raspberry vegan cheesecake. If you haven't tried cooking with dragon fruit yet, this vegan cheesecake is a great place to start. Dragon fruit's tropical flavour pairs perfectly with raspberries. Start by placing the cashews in a bowl and cover them with cold water. Let the cashews soak for at least 4 hours or overnight. Next, grease a 20cm round springform pan and line the base with baking paper. Now place the almonds and dates in a bowl of the food processor and process until finely chopped and the mixture holds together when pinched. Spoon the almond mixture into the prepared pan and use the back of a spoon to press it evenly over the base. Pop in the freezer to firm up. It should take about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, place the dragon fruit, raspberries and maple syrup in a small saucepan over medium heat. Cook stirring for about 5 minutes or until the fruit breaks down and becomes syrupy. Remove from the heat and set aside for 5 minutes. Now drain the cashews and discard the liquid. Place the cashews, coconut milk and coconut oil in a blender and blend until smooth, scraping down the sides if needed. Spoon half the cashew mixture into a bowl to reserve. Add the dragon fruit mixture to the blender and blend until well combined. Look at that gorgeous pink colour. Spoon the reserved cashew mixture into the pan, alternating with the dragon fruit mixture. Then use a rounded bladed knife to gently marble the two colours together. Gently tap the pan on the benchtop to remove any air pockets. Then place the cheesecake in the freezer for 4 hours or until firm. To serve, remove the cheesecake from the pan and place on a serving plate. Decorate with fresh raspberries and some shredded coconut. Vegan and gluten-free, this delicious dragon fruit and raspberry cheesecake is a great option to have up your sleeve when cooking for friends and family.